Hello guys, and welcome to this new episode of ExcelXam. So today we are going to see how we can style our tables in Excel so that it should look in an organized way and in a beautiful way by using color styling. Okay, so here we are presented, or on this worksheet you have a predefined table that I have named um, ID number, employee, the products, quantity. In fact, the data in the worksheet is not actually important. What is actually important is or are the procedures we are going to use in order to actually do what? To start our table. Okay, first thing first, we select the table, okay? Then we go in the home tab, not the insert tab. And then from the insert tab, you will see here table. Okay, you click there and this dialog box will appear. Okay, so you need, or the essence of doing that is to actually mention that your headers are included. Okay, so if this button is not activated, you can just activate it. So as you have actually said, or you have actually defined your tables or your headers to be included in these modifications, the next thing is that this tab table design will appear. So what will you do? You are going to start your own table. So what you're going to do is that you are going to click on the drop down arrow, okay, and later on you are going to see here new table styling. You click there once and this dialog box will appear. Okay, from here you have several ways in which you can actually modify, or you can actually style your table, so personalize your table. So one thing you can do is that you can click on the first column strip, okay, then you go on format. As from format, you are going to see either you can modify the font, okay, the font type, the font color, the font size. It will depend on you, okay. And later on you can also use fillings, okay. If you want to modify the background, you can come here. So here you can do what? You can decide to, on the line,